To eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. To drink. She drinks water after exercise. To sleep. She sleeps early every night. To wake. I wake up at 6 o'clock. To brush. He brushes his teeth every morning. She washes her face before bed. To walk. We walk to school every day. To run. She runs fast in the park. To sit. She is sitting on the beach rock. To stand. She stands in front of the mirror. To talk. I talk to my friend every day. To speak. He speaks English well. To listen. She is listening to music. To read. I read a book before sleeping. To write. He writes in his notebook. To draw. She draws beautiful pictures. To cook. My mom cooks delicious food. To clean. I clean my room on Sundays. To open. She opens her gift. To close. He closes the window. To turn. Turn the page, please. To push. She pushes the wheelchair. To pull. He pulls the boat. To carry. I carry my bag to school.